ki Khubor ka bate si TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Umintri ka Sohra Jylla uba pet ka kam jungo kai Pathai lani ka tourism uba polling do uloang ba kilat Pathai Khubor Nabar Jylla kidegi ba jumlin ban ne Shilyang ka tha North East khamtam ya ka Meghalaya lapin ram ya ka ni ka jingle kilat Pathai Khubor ki Nabar ni ki national media ki bele Shilyang ya ka ni ka tha jongi uba pol lapin kan mauru da ka boong ba ka kam jungo kai ha Sohra kla su thit da ki phau Snam bat ka Sohra kampat jubit Snam menuru bat kam don ka record ka bokom kata uloong ba ka Sohra ka ka than ka ba ki missionary ki wan yu ka jat ningkong house Snam kha praspa sa phowei nang ta ka dan sakaram Krishna mission ka blawan ban penpriang ya ka jing nang jing start ha Sohra le kam shim laran kanu ka jing ja bas ngausi.
As I said the other day, the national media always has had a bias against the Northeast. And they see Meghalaya's growth as a threat to their growth, the growth of the tourism sector in the rest of the country. Therefore, this attitude is most condemnable, most reprehensive, and on our part, as this case, as I said the other day, this is a one-off case, an isolated case, and in fact, we do not know what actually happened. Until all the investigation is completed, there is no final word that can be said on the matter. Therefore, I vehemently condemned the attitude of the national media. It just shows their bias against our region, and especially with the growth of tourism in Meghalaya, they see that as a threat. But let me remind them and also the people of Meghalaya that Sohra Cherpanji has had decades of tourism without any blot on its character. There has been no record of any incidents of violence ever in the past, and we have had the first missionaries who landed at Sohra in 1841. We have the Ram Krishna mission, which has its biggest network in the state, which with headquarters at Sohra. So therefore, this attitude only betrays their lack of understanding of Meghalaya and also a deep-seated malice towards the state and its people.